this video I'll tell you how to run picture in picture mode. Go to settings. Okay, first I'll my build number. It is the latest version of Android. Go to search, type PIC, open picture in picture, go to picture, and for Chrome you make it yes, on it. If it is off, you on it. Now go to Chrome, open YouTube, and you see it is not enabled for m.youtube.com. You go to the option and you request for desktop site. Now the video has loaded. You just go in any video. I'll show you my channel video. Now you open, suppose you open a video, it will, and you play. Now press the full screen. This is, now you can press the home screen, drag it, and if you drag it down it will dismiss. Click on it, click this, and you can go back to Chrome. Thank you.